Hi everyone, I'm Michelle Hardin from Hardin Law PA, and I'm here today to talk to you about 5 simple steps that you can take to legally form your business. Step 1, pick a name. While this might seem simple enough, it can actually get you into some serious hot water if you're not careful. For example, if you pick a name that's similar to another company's name, you could get sued for trademark infringement, or you could confuse your customers. To avoid running into these problems, pick 5 names, run a trademark search on your potential names, and do a search on your state's business directory to see if there are any other companies with your name. Step 2, decide on your business entity. Now, you have a few choices here. You can choose from your sole proprietorship, your partnership, your limited partnership, your limited liability partnership, your limited liability company, and your corporation. If you haven't already decided on a business structure, don't worry. Next week, we're coming out with a video addressing all of your concerns. Step 3, file the necessary documents with your Secretary of State. If you don't know where to file these documents, that's okay. iCanLawyer has conveniently compiled a list of every state's corporate formation website. Step 4, obtain a federal tax ID number. Now, I know what you're thinking. Michelle, do I really need to pay taxes? Yes, you do. You can't open a commercial checking account, a credit card line, or deal with most wholesale retailers without a federal tax ID number. Getting a federal tax ID number sounds complicated, but it's really not. Leave it to our federal government to make sure it's easy as possible to get taxed. All you have to do is go to the IRS website and fill out the application, which shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Step 5, check to see if your business requires a state or county occupational license or other permit. Now, this might take a little bit more research on your part because this varies depending on your state and municipality. I found out how to get my occupational license here in Miami-Dade County by simply using Google. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it. And if you want to see some really great law-related content, visit our website at iCanLawyer.com or subscribe to our channel.